Hello from the kitchen. I know I look like a mess, but today I'm sharing a really interesting recipe which is one of my favorite halwas, which is pethe ka halwa. It's also called pumpkin or kaddu ka halwa. So let me show you guys the ingredients really quickly. Found what I was looking for. So here are the ingredients that you will need. Usually people prefer koya. If you have 1 cup koya, that's great, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use double cream. And also, in case you don't have double cream, you can also use milk, but that's completely optional. 1 cup sugar, then this is again optional, but I love the taste of coconut powder in there. I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of this. It really adds a really yummy taste to your halwa. This is half a cup ghee, half a cup chopped almonds, and a few pieces of cardamom. And here's the main thing that you need. This is pumpkin. So what I've done here already, just so the recipe is quick and easy for you guys, so what I've done, I cut the pumpkin into little slices and I put it to boil with just 1 cup water. And this is what you get after like 40 minutes, and then you just go in with your spoon like this, and then you can mash it like that. And now let's begin. And so first of all, on medium heat, now we're gonna start cooking this. I'm gonna add sugar first of all, and then keep cooking this. And now keep cooking this so no more water is left, and sugar also kind of makes things a little watery, so you're gonna keep cooking this on medium flame now. Most of the water is gone. Now at this stage I'm going to add our desi ghee. Ooh, everybody's having fun with pumpkins for Halloween. I just thought, I'm just gonna make halwa with pumpkins because I love this halwa the most. At this stage you're also gonna add the cream. Again, as I said, if you don't have cream, use milk, but preferably people use koya, and I don't have koya. I know you can make koya at home, by the way. There's many recipes online, but I'm a little too lazy to do that, so. Now keep cooking this at medium flame, and make sure you keep stirring it because you don't want this to burn because it's gonna stink really bad, okay? It smells delicious already. Now let's add our garnishing, which actually is almonds and cardamom. Go ahead and add 3 spoons of coconut powder. If you don't have this, it's alright, but honestly it adds a really nice taste. This is gonna take another 10 minutes or so, and how you will know that it's ready is when you start seeing the halwa getting a little thick, and also the ghee kind of separates a little bit, if that makes sense. Oh, by the way, I just really want to show you guys this butter that I got. The ghee, it's a very big can, by the way, and this one I got from Asda, which was just £3.50. I used to get the smaller bottle first, which was also £3.70 or something. This is double the size, so this one was from Asda, as well as the coconut powder was also from Asda. So after 10 to 15 minutes we are here. It's getting a little thicker, but because I don't see the ghee separating, obviously this is not yet ready, so keep stirring this slowly and keep cooking. Another 10 minutes and here we are. It does take a while to be cooked because you have to really wait for the water to dry out and leave like this thick paste. I'm happy with this consistency, to be honest. If you want to wait and let this get a little bit more thick, that's your choice. But because I'm afraid that if I let this get a little bit more thicker, then the sugar is gonna seem a little too much, if that makes sense. So at this point, I think I'm gonna stop cooking this, and now let's try this. It looks super yummy. It is, I think it's one of the best halwa to eat during this fall season. Now since it's too hot, let me try a little bit. It's yummy. Excuse the dog. Sugar is perfect. The little coconut taste in there, it makes it taste like a pro halwa, like the ones that you eat at a restaurant. Guys, that was a good one. Make sure you try that. Tag me on your Instagram stories. Follow me on Instagram, which is me, Lady Isha, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.